Hello guys, today we are going to solve question number 11. When metal M is treated with NaOH, a white gelatinous participate X is obtained, which is soluble excess in NaOH. Compound X, when heated strongly, gives an oxide which is used in chromatography as an absorbent. The metal M is. So, in this question, it is given that the metal M is treated NaOH. A white gelatinous precipitate X is obtained. Except Fe, other three metals are forming white precipitate with sodium hydroxide, and upon heating form metal oxide. So Fe, let's cut Fe for metal oxide. But among these three metals, that is aluminium, zinc, and calcium, aluminum oxide is used as an absorbent in chromatography. Chromatography is the method of separating purifying solids and liquids. Adsorbent is the stationary phase used in chromatography. When aluminum is treated with NaOH, Al plus 3NaOH, it will give aluminum hydroxide, and the reaction is given by 3Na plus AlOH, which is a white gelatinous participate. When it is treated with excess NaOH, sodium salt of aluminum hydroxide is formed. So AlOH whole thrice is treated with NaOH again. It forms NaAlOH whole thrice. 4. Sorry. When aluminum hydroxide is strongly heated, 2AlOH3 is strongly heated, forms Al2O3 plus 3H2O. Aluminum hydroxide, which is formed with evaporation of water molecules. So option B, aluminum, is the correct answer.